Do you have other things?
Yes. I mean, no. Yes, I do have other things, but I don't need to bring them in.
Oh.
So, do you like being married?
Oh, yeah, I like it.
And
I like it very much.
What about it do you like? I'm not being critical, I just really want to know.
Well, the cliche about the whole stability of it, that's really true. And we have a house together. I really like that, you know?
Yeah. You feel secure, you like the stability, the feeling that's going to last a while.
Oh, definitely. The last year went by so fast. I hardly noticed it passed.
Yeah. I think that the mind is very flexible as far as time goes.
You mean like time flies?
Exactly. Like, the fact that you feel like the first year of your marriage went by so quickly, I think that means a lot of things. Or it could mean a lot of things.
How long's it been since you've seen Jackson?
5 years.
5 years?
Yeah, I know. I'm surprised he allowed me to stay until I find a place.
Well, why's that a surprise? Don't you know him well?
I know him extremely well. We're very close. Before I dropped out.
Why'd you drop out?
A lot of reasons. Most of them boring. But before I dropped out, we were very much alike.
Well, that's hard to believe. You two seem so different.
Well, I imagine we are now.